Your windows do more than just provide views and let in natural light. They help regulate your home's temperature, impact energy efficiency, and influence curb appeal. In Manassas, where seasonal weather changes are often dramatic, taking care of your windows is crucial. Proper window maintenance can add years to their lifespan, saving you the cost and hassle of early replacement. Here's how regular care and attention can make a big difference. Why window maintenance matters. Windows are exposed to the elements year-round. From hot, humid summers to cold, wet winters in Manassas, your windows endure a lot. Over time, even high-quality windows can suffer damage from moisture, UV rays, and fluctuating temperatures. Dirt buildup, neglected seals, and unnoticed cracks can all lead to inefficiency and eventual failure. Routine maintenance ensures that your windows remain functional, energy efficient, and visually appealing. It also helps you catch small problems early, before they become expensive repairs or replacements. Key maintenance tasks to extend window lifespan: regular cleaning. Dirt, grime, and mildew can accumulate quickly, especially during pollen-heavy springs or after winter storms. Clean both the glass and the frames every few months using mild soap and water. Avoid harsh chemicals that can deteriorate seals or finishes. Clean windows not only last longer but also allow more natural light into your home. Inspect and reseal annually. Seals and caulking are your first defense against water and air leaks. Once a year, inspect the window perimeter for gaps, cracking, or peeling. Re-caulk or seal as necessary to prevent moisture infiltration, which can cause wood rot, mold, or insulation failure. Check and maintain hardware. Windows with moving parts, like casement or double-hung models, require functional hardware. Tighten loose handles, lubricate hinges and tracks, and replace broken latches. These simple steps prevent mechanical failure and maintain your window's integrity. Protect against moisture damage. Wooden window frames in particular are susceptible to moisture damage. In humid Manassas summers or during winter snow and rain, water exposure can warp, swell, or rot wood. Regularly repaint or refinish wooden frames to keep them sealed and protected from the elements. Monitor for fogging or condensation. Double and triple pane windows sometimes develop condensation between the panes, a sign that the seal has failed. This reduces insulation and can indicate moisture intrusion. If you catch this early, a professional can often repair the seal without a full window replacement. Seasonal tips for Manassas. Homeowners. Manassas experiences all 4 seasons, each with unique window maintenance needs. Spring. Clean off winter debris and inspect for cold weather damage. Summer. Check for UV damage and ensure your seals are holding to maintain indoor temperatures. Fall. Prepare for winter by inspecting weather stripping and caulking. Winter. Watch for drafts or frost buildup, signs of insulation issues that should be addressed promptly. Energy efficiency and longevity go hand in hand. Well-maintained windows contribute significantly to your home's energy efficiency. Clean, sealed, and properly operating windows keep hot air out in the summer and cold air out in the winter. This not only extends window life but also lowers your energy bills and reduces strain on your HVAC system. When to call a professional. If you notice significant damage, rot, fogging between panes, or operational problems, it's time to call a window expert in Manassas. A professional can assess whether repair or replacement is the best option and may offer maintenance packages to keep your windows in peak condition. Final thoughts. In Manassas, proper window maintenance is more than just a good habit. It's an investment in your home's comfort, beauty, and value. With a little seasonal upkeep, you can ensure your windows last for decades, perform efficiently, and stay looking great year-round. Take the time to care for your windows today, and they'll reward you with reliable service for years to come.